हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं हमारा नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर जो कि है चैप्टर नंबर 4 MS Word 2019. Okay students, so Word 2019 is a word processing application in the Microsoft Office suite. Word 2019 allows you to easily create professional looking documents using various themes, visual designs, formatting tools, sharing features and more. Word 2019 has a feature called learning tools that can help make the text easier to read without making permanent changes to your document. Students, you can change the text spacing, page color or even have Word 2019 read your text aloud. Okay, let's learn to start how to start Word 2019. Students, so step number 1 is click on the start button, then click on all apps, scroll through the app list and until you reach the word and click on the icon. The Word 2019 window will appear on the screen. Students, now step number 4 is click on the blank document and empty document title document 1 will appear. अब स्टूडेंट्स आपने खोल लिया हमारा वर्ड 2019, तो यहाँ पर आप जितने भी फीचर्स देख रहे हैं या जो जो एलिमेंट्स देख रहे हैं वो क्या है। सो एक्सप्लोरिंग द वर्ड 2019 इन्वायरमेंट, लेट अस एक्सप्लोर द वर्ड 2019 विंडो। तो इस विंडो में स्टूडेंट्स क्या क्या है? रिबन, वर्क प्लेस, स्टेटस बार, इंसर्शन पॉइंट, फाइल टैब, क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, रिबन टैब, टेल मी व्हाट यू वांट टू डू। ओके, सो टाइटल बार, program control buttons, vertical scroll bar, view button, zoom slider. Okay students, title bar. The title bar section has window controls at the right end. A blank document opens with a default file name of document 1. Okay students, अब info cell में एक information दी हुई है क्या कि open office writer, Corel, Word, Perfect and Apple Pages are some of the other popular word processing software. Quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is located on the left of the title bar. It contains frequently used commands and can be customized using the image of quick access toolbar drop down menu. Okay, you can point to each small icon to view its screen tip. Okay students, now let us customize the quick access toolbar. Your step number 1 is click the customize quick access toolbar button. Step number 2 is click new on the menu and see the command get added to the quick access toolbar. Okay, click the customize quick access toolbar button again and click show below the ribbon. Click show above the ribbon to move the quick access toolbar back again. Students, फिर आता है ribbon. The ribbon contains all of the tools that you use to interact with your Microsoft Word file. It is located towards the top of the window underneath the title bar. The ribbon has a number of tabs, each of which contains buttons and which are organized into groups. So there are mainly two types of tabs on the ribbon: active tab and contextual tab. Okay students, what are active tabs? By default, the Word 2019 opens with the home tab active on the ribbon. The active tab has a white background and blue letters and the inactive tabs have the opposite. Okay, contextual tab. Contextual tabs appear when the certain objects such as images and text boxes are selected. They contain additional options for modifying the object. Okay, contextual tabs stand out because they are darker in color and are located to the right of the other all other tabs. Okay students, अब info cell में देखते हैं क्या information दी हुई है. Ribbon display options button provides options that will hide the ribbon from view. Okay, the main benefit to this is that it allows your document to take up more of the screen. When you locate or create on the ribbon display options button, to left of the window control buttons, three options appear. Now students, workspace क्या है? Underneath the ribbon is a workspace. On the workspace, you can see the rulers and the margin settings, the scroll bar on the right side of the screen, and the blinking cursor insertion point, which is where new input will display when entered. Okay students, फिर आता है status bar. Students, the status bar is located below the document of the working area. The left end of the bar displays variety of information about the document, such as the page number, how many words are in the document, and whether there are any spelling errors or not. Okay, फिर अदर स्टूडेंट्स इन्फो सेल देखते हैं. इन्फो सेल में क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन दी हुई है? मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड स्पीक्स डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस, सो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस सूट नाउ इंक्लूड्स अ ट्रांसलेटर फीचर इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस 2019 version. Now you can translate the text of your preferred language very easily. To translate the text into another language, go to the review tab, click on the translate button, a drop down list will appear. Click on the set document. The translator pane will appear on the right side. Click on the document tab. Okay students, now select the preferred language from the drop down menu that appeared in the tool list. Okay, click on the translate button. The text in the document will change. Next is students, view buttons. At the right end are shortcuts to the different views are available. Okay, each view displays a document in a different way, allowing you to carry out various tasks more efficiently. Okay students, next is students, zoom slider. At the right end of the status bar is the zoom slider. This allows you to adjust how the large document is displayed on the screen. Next, students, we will learn to create a document and saving it. When Word 2019 opens, it will display a blank document ready for you to type in. Okay, the words that you type and the formatting that you use become your document. Okay, students. Now let's create a document. So first of all, you have to open Word 2019. You will see a blinking cursor on the workspace. Start typing in the document. As you start typing, the cursor will move towards the right side. Okay. Each document you create is temporary unless you save it as a file with a unique name and location. So students, let's save the file. Click on the file tab at the left corner of the Word 2019 screen. Okay, the backstage view will appear. Click on save button. The save as window will appear on the screen. Students, type the name of the document in the file name box. You can name the file as you want. Now click on the save button. The document will be saved. Your Word 2019 window will still be open, but notice the title bar will now show the file name pawankumar.docs. Okay. Quick tips are here, students. So always use save as instead of save for the first time to save a file, because you need to tell the computer where to put the file. Okay. Save assumes you have saved it before. Now students, we will learn to open a file, make changes and saving strategies. The purpose of saving a file is to bring it back later, and that is what you are about to do. Students, your first point is click on the file tab. Then you have to click on open, click browse. The open dialog box will appear. Select the file from where you save it. Okay. Click on open button. The selected document will get open on the screen. Okay, students, make the changes in the document that you require. Click on the file tab, students. Then you have to click on the save button to save the document. Now close the document by clicking on the close button from the file tab menu. You can close the document by clicking on the cross button at the right corner on the screen. Note that, students, that save as dialog box will not appear because the Word 2019 already has a name and location for the file. Okay, students. So here we are completed with this chapter, students. Let's go through some points of this chapter, students. So your first point is Word 2019 allows you to easily create professional looking documents. Next point is a blank document opens with the default file name of document 1. Next point is, students, the undo button is not located anywhere else in the application except for the quick access toolbar. There are mainly two types of tabs on the ribbon. First is active tab and second is contextual tab. Okay, each view displays a document in a different way. The purpose of saving a file is to bring it back later. Okay, students, so this is how you can learn to use Word 2019. I hope students आपको ये चैप्टर समझ आया होगा, और आपको क्या करना है, ये चैप्टर बाद में वापस रीड करके इसका प्रैक्टिकल अपने पीसी पे करना है, स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, हम मिलते हैं हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ, स्टूडेंट्स. तब तक कीप रिवाइजिंग, कीप लर्निंग, and all the best. Okay, thank you.